Got him like that. Yeah. We go kill two birds, one stone. He helping me, I'm helping him. Really, it's a 4-motor swap.
Might not even get paid for this. Doing this out of goodwill. You know what I mean? Gotta help somebody. Oh boy, he in a bind. The engine went out. We're gonna pawn in this motor ticket. We're gonna pawn it to him. See you make some money. You know, we gotta help somebody. Somebody that helped us through the years. We gonna help him.
I'm gonna take my motor out, put my motor in. We're gonna take his motor out, put his motor in. Got him like that.
Yeah. Alright, I done cut the motor mount both sides. First of all, I went to the wood depot and blade the road. We were too wet. We got 2 trucks out that was loaded. Blade the road, we can work in the morning. And I come back, I done cut your motor mount both sides. We finna go get the loader. Let me get his motor out there. I'm tired of him worrying me. But I'm gonna be in the bed at 10 o'clock. That's my bedtime. 10 o'clock, I'm gonna be in the bed. If I leave here at 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, I'm gonna watch the 10 o'clock news. And when the weather go off at like 10:17 and 10:20, like that. He like Coach Spooky, he ain't got that. Everybody follow him. C12 Caterpillar. Coming out of it's a freight line. This is a freight line. About a 2,000 mile freight line. 2,001 freight line. I done a 3-hour job in 25 minutes. So I think I should get top pay. You see what time it is, man? 7 o'clock. God. Mr. Cook dog over there done had a gear shift on. Just had the boats out. Dry shed boats wasn't unhooked. We thought we were just gonna break the free lines off, but we had to cut them off. And then he had the wires going to the computer. He had none of that. I gotta put an airbag on that truck.
Said it's been a long day.
Hey, that kid ain't looking at it.
Man, y'all ain't did no work. Shit. What y'all done did?
What?
Some work. What work y'all done done?
I'm doing what a ball man do. Check on stuff. That ain't that what a ball man supposed to do?
That's what they supposed to do now. Hey.
Somebody gotta do the work. Somebody gotta do the thinking.
Damn right. Hey, look. Cause you ain't thinking, we in trouble.
9:15. It's been a long one.
This boy gotta get on home time. It's time to shit. Let it go.
Time to go.
Oh well.
Long and light. Sure know what to say.
The creek don't ride. We see y'all go to the other side in the morning.
What y'all say?
Hey, you get that chicken out of here. Let that shit go away.